Good evening mga boys and girls. Dito po tayo, welcome to my YouTube channel, si Joms TV. Ito po ang mga lusoy, pakita ko sa inyo, at roasting, white chicken, Peking duck, lechon Macau, asado. Let's do it, it's delicious food, Chinese authentic. Dito sa work ko ngayon, ito pa oh, kasili pa siya. At dito tayo sa buffet namin. At dito sa buffet, this is swahi with sati, sotanghon. And this is chicken with pepper. This very yummy. This is mixed food. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye bye. Salamat po, Chapsoy. At ito na. Bye bye. Thank you.